Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. My name is Lynn and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If today being your first time on this channel, kindly do subscribe, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be among the first person to be notified. Today we're making Nigerian egg rolls recipe. Such a delicious snack, and I know you're going to try after watching this video. So let's get started. For this recipe, I will start by adding in my 6 eggs to my pot. You can also use any amount of eggs that you want. Okay, I've washed these eggs very well. So next I'll go in with my water, cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on low medium heat until it is nice and ready. After about 10 minutes, I'm back to check on it and it's doing all perfect. I'll remove everything from my pot and I'll go in with some cold water. The cold water is going to help me remove the shells from the egg very easily. You can also allow the eggs to cool down completely if you don't have the cold water. Okay, so now let's remove the shells from the egg and set it aside. Whilst that is going on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Whilst we are done peeling off the skin or the shells from the egg, let's set this aside and continue with the rest of the video. So to a bowl, I'll go in with some all-purpose flour. You can as well use plain flour if that is what you have. And don't worry, I'm going to list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. Next, I'll go in with some nutmeg for flavor. I'll also go in with some salt to taste. Unfortunately, my camera couldn't capture everything of the salt content. Okay, I'll also go in with some powdered milk. Next, I'll go in with some salted butter. You can also use unsalted butter if that is what you have. Next, I'll add in my baking powder and I'll also crack in 1 egg. You can also use 2 eggs. Now mix it all together until we achieved a very nice dough. After that, we can go in with your water little by little until the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely. So now let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family? Alright, so after getting the perfect dough like this, I'm going to section them into 6 parts. I'm just going to eyeball this because I'll be enjoying this in the house alone. If you are making this for business purposes, then I would advise you to measure them to get the accurate measurement. Okay, and after getting the perfect sizes that you want, you just have to get your rolling pin and start rolling out your dough until you achieve the perfect thickness that you're looking for. So after getting the perfect dough size that I'm looking for, I'll just go ahead and put in my egg and I'll wrap the dough around the egg very nicely, just the way you see it on your screens right now. Remember to seal it very nicely because we don't want it to open in the frying process. So after wrapping the dough on the egg very nicely, just take off any excess dough around it and mold it in your hands very nicely to get the perfect shapes that we all are looking for. Okay, and after getting the perfect balls like this, I am going to start by heating up my oil and start frying my egg rolls right away. I am not going to fry this on high heat. Your oil should be on low medium heat because we really want to achieve the perfect golden brown color that we all are looking for. So now let's start dropping in our balls and start to fry it. And we also want to make sure that as soon as we drop in our egg rolls, we need to stir periodically because we don't want it to burn at all. We want to really achieve the perfect golden brown color. So stirring it periodically is very important right here. And the pot that you use in frying egg rolls is also important as well. This is because egg rolls are really heavy because of the egg in there. So it won't be floating as if you're frying puff puff. It will just be sticking at the bottom of the pan. So when your pan is not too good and you really have a very hot oil, it's not going to turn into the perfect outcome that you're looking for. So take note of that. Okay, so our egg rolls is ready, and as you can see, it turned out so good. I paired mine with some chill drink, and fun. Let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair with yours. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed till this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.